not only do we have the 5 victims who were the subject of this trial, but there was testimony during trial that the defendant admitted to sexually assaulting additional victims. In fact, 3 victims that are not part of this indictment. So that would be 8. Then we had 3 other victims who came forward over the course of the last couple of years and gave statements, but the crimes against them occurred too long ago to be prosecuted pursuant to New York statute of limitations. So that brings you to 11. And then we've got the 2 victims who were the subjects of the defendant's prior convictions in Monroe County and New Hampshire. So there you're at 13 victims of this defendant, and you know, we have reason to believe, based on interviews of witnesses, that there were additional victims here. And quite frankly, since this has been going on for several decades, I cannot begin to imagine how many victims this defendant has left behind. You heard Judge Noonan, who's been a judge for nearly 18 years, say that this is the worst case that he's ever had, and he's had some pretty horrible cases. I mean, brutal murders, many other sex offense cases involving children. But you know, I think of these cases as being the worst, not only because of the nature of the crimes themselves, but also because of the impact, the lifelong impact that these crimes have on the victims.